baby mobile. Okay, see? There's in there. Callie loves to suck on the iPad, so watch out. Okay, I'm going to place this iPad in here so I don't think someone else is doing it. Here it is. Actually, no, wait. I'm going to put this right here, and this right here. And then it's going to lean like that. And then you're going to see the baby mobile. Okay. You can see the baby. This is the baby. And you saw the inside of the mobile. Watch the baby mobile. She can play happily in it. And she has some books that I can read her. This baby, and that's Mama.
What do you have the iPad up like that for? Are you taking a picture of her?
No. And this is the baby. And she loves.
Videoing her?
Yep.
You were?